Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life in the long wheelbase. This vehicle comes with the metallic paint colour Costa Azul blue and comes fitted with a 1.5 petrol TSI engine pushing out 114 PS. The Caddy also comes with a DSG Automatic gearbox, and we'll explore some of the exterior features. Across the front of the vehicle is a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also benefits from having front parking sensors with a handsome front mesh style bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 16-inch Veen silver alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design. To the rear of the vehicle, this van comes with LED rear combination lights, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look inside, this vehicle comes as a 7-seater vehicle with a 2-seater rear passenger bench. In the middle, there are 2 foldable tables for the 2 outer seats, along with some USB-C outlets. Up front in the driver's cab, there are 2 single seats for the front passenger as well as the driver. There is an excellent amount of leg space as well as some excellent creature comforts such as 2 USB-C chargers up front, and the van is complete with a radio composition colour 8.25-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.